Imagine every day waking up to this picturesque view. Today we're in the heart of Chiusi in Tuscany, where we'll be visiting an exclusive Nobile apartment for sale, perfect as a primary residence or a secondary home. Come with me and let's explore Il Nobile di Porsenna. This lovely apartment is made up of 2 floors. The main floor that we find ourselves on now extends from this beautiful hallway with barrel vaulted ceiling. We'll see more of these exquisite details in the bedrooms and living spaces where I'll take you next. Imagine all the possibilities for enjoying these beautifully connected spaces. A living area consisting of a lounge and a dining space rich in light to brighten your days or welcome your guests. A large, colorful kitchen provides all the amenities you need to prepare and cook delicious Tuscan meals. From this second comfortable sitting room, you can access the bedrooms. The property includes 3 bedrooms, the main one with a beautiful painted ceiling, the second currently used as a study, and a 3rd smaller bedroom. 2 bathrooms complete this floor. Going up to the top floor, we reach the most evocative part of the property. The view stretching over the rooftops of the town center is a feast for the eyes and an inspiration for the mind. The top floor includes a living room, a kitchen, and a bedroom which can be used for guests, providing comfort and privacy. You'll never grow tired of this view overlooking the rooftops and the surrounding Tuscan hills. Porsenna was a legendary Etruscan king in the city of Chiusi, and it's precisely here where you can feel completely immersed in the incredible history of these ancient lands. Continue following Great Estate for more exclusive property tours, and to visit this noble residence, contact us today.